Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're talking about the best Birkenstock sandals for women plastic, the Goosecret women's platform sandals with arch support. If you're in the market for a comfortable yet stylish pair of sandals that will take you from the beach to the streets, this might just be the perfect fit for you. So, let's take a closer look at what makes these sandals a must-have for your summer wardrobe. First up, let's talk about comfort. The Goosecret women's platform sandals are designed with a focus on long-lasting comfort. The footbed features soft pillow-like cushioning, offering excellent arch support, which helps alleviate foot fatigue even after long periods of wear. This makes them not only ideal for walking but also perfect for those with plantar fasciitis or anyone seeking extra support. The deep heel cup design ensures a snug fit that adds to their overall comfort. Whether you're strolling along the beach or running errands, you'll appreciate how these sandals feel on your feet. Now, let's move on to style. These sandals have a chic, classic look that's versatile enough to pair with just about anything. The double-buckle adjustable straps are stylish and functional, allowing you to customize the fit for ultimate comfort. The platform sole not only gives you a little extra height but also adds to the fashion-forward design. The ultra-thick platform elongates your legs, giving you that sleek, modern look that works with both casual and dressier outfits. Another standout feature is the material. The sandals are made from ethylene vinyl acetate, a lightweight, water-resistant material that makes them ideal for summer. You won't have to worry about them getting damaged at the pool or beach. They're built to last and withstand the elements, making them a great investment for the warmer months. If you've been looking for a sandal that combines comfort, durability, and style, the Goosecret women's platform sandals with arch support tick all the boxes. Plus, they're available at a very affordable price, so you won't have to break the bank to get your hands on these high-quality sandals. In conclusion, whether you're after comfort for long days on your feet or just need a fashionable sandal to complete your summer look, the Goosecret women's platform sandals are a solid choice. Don't miss out on these. They are definitely a great addition to your footwear collection. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you in the next video.